the left one, right? So if I did 1 over the square root of 3 over 2, if I did 1 over the square root of 3 over 2, that would be the same thing as 1 over 1 divided by the square root of 3 over 2, which if you're dividing fractions, that's 1 over 1 times 2 over the square root of 3. So really, what I could just do is I could just flip this upside down because, see, it ends up being the same thing. So if you're doing a secant, you can just flip the x upside down. If you're doing the cosecant, you can flip the y upside down. And cotangent, you would take the x divided by the y. So do you guys remember how to rationalize the denominator here? To get rid of the square root of 3 on the bottom, you'd multiply by the square root of 3 on the top and the bottom, and you get 2 square roots of 3 over 3. So this is the secant of 30 degrees. Okay. So how about we try a couple problems from your homework, just to make sure that you're comfortable with understanding how to do these problems, okay? Let's try together. Let's do 32, 45, and 68. All right, so together right now we're going to do 32, what did I say, 45, and 68. All right. No, we don't need to do 45, that's a tangent one. Let's do 46 instead. All right, so 32 says we've got the cotangent of 30 degrees. And if you look at this chart, it says that cotangent is x over y, right? So I'm going to look at my 30 degrees, and I'm going to take x and then divide by y. So that's the square root of 3 over 2 divided by y, which is 1/2. If you're dividing fractions, you can multiply them by flipping the second one. Which ends up reducing to just the square root of 3. Okay, I'm going to give you a second right now to try 46 and 68, and then we will come back and discuss them, and I will give prizes out, okay?